that if you always do what you always did, you'll always get what you've always got. We at Epiroc have always believed in the philosophy that there is always a better way. At Epiroc, we are continuously striving for operational excellence and keep improvising our operations and procedures to remove bottlenecks in order to accelerate growth and productivity.
When we took this Tiberius project, there were two key deliverables. One was to double the rotary production capacity here, and while doing so, we wanted to achieve operational excellence in the production flow. That means a lot of hard work for the team analyzing the non-value adding times and bringing up a flow line which would be ergonomically acceptable to the team. Today, what we have is a tremendous achievement. We are able to accelerate the production to 70% over the previous record, and also we have an operational excellence bringing in this flow line.
Manufacturing always plays a key role in implementing the continuous improvement projects on shop floor and as well as lean techniques. So this we take an opportunity at Epiroc Mining India Limited, Hyderabad PC, where we implemented lean techniques from our assembly product line to finished goods. So let's speak about how we done this. We done by implementing the basic ground rules like eliminating non-value added time, as well as by elimination of and improvement the processes basically. So we form a team and we successful in this project with our successful teams in Hyderabad. So going forward, we will be doing the continuous process for better profit growth oriented results.
The first step followed here was the problem identification. Earlier, the process flow layout had limitations due to the complex material flow to move the material to different work centers. The resource utilization was not as effective as it was a manual procedure, relying on supervisor instructions and manual movements. A detailed time study of processes was done, where it was observed that process efficiency is about 77% and there was scope for more improvement in inspection, movements and loading-unloading. The outcome of these meetings was what made the difference. After a lot of analysis and inferences, a conclusion was drawn that we needed to go from process layout to product layout, from assembly to finished goods. The advantages of a single piece flow and maximum resource utilization was stressed, and a pull system in finishing line was created. A roller conveyor was implemented, which earlier carried materials via trolleys to different work centers in batches, which commendably saved time. The implementation of these actions improved the process. Efficiency improved to an extraordinary 90%. The process time reduced by 10% by reducing the threading cycle times. Loading-unloading time reduced by 77%. Movement time reduced by 42%. And inspection time by almost 75%. The lean concept came into picture where balanced and well-managed flow in implementing the lean techniques resulted in the best resource utilization, making the operations continuous and reducing the queue time by keeping the machines running independently. Epiroc Drilling Tools India are on the path towards the most efficient and ergonomic workplace. The benefits we have gained from implementing this lean operation has completely made up for the tough challenges the team faced. Epiroc, united in performance, inspired by innovation.